a beast. Right, how's it going, people? We are recording on the Panasonic HVX-200. I come out here, get a few, well basically this is what we're doing. The shooting conditions, not very good, okay? We've got some harsh sunlight and I got nothing interesting to film except for some few scraggly plants and some berries. I'm recording on the internal mic here, so no idea how this sounds, but hey, here's a little mic test so we can hear how the internal mic sounds. And really I just wanted to come out here to do some test shots, right? To create. And I wanted to work on some color grading stuff. So here's an attempt at some cinematic color grading on top of with some music and with some berries and leaves, because and I'm probably going to walk around a bit actually, because that's all I can film. And yeah, I've decided that I feel like it's too early for me to do vlogs. So I did a week of vlogs, that was cool, but I'm too early in the game for doing daily vlogs right now. So I'm just gonna keep using this channel to keep developing my skills until something clicks or I get a good idea and the ball gets rolling. That's really the goal here. So enjoy this little first attempt at some cinematic color grading. And for the, I guess for information purposes, I'm recording in 720p, 25 frames a second on the shutter speed, what they describe as 180.0D, which I think is 180 degree shutter rule built in, but hey, who knows. And that sky up there looks like it's overblown. Anyway, enjoy. There you go. How did that look? This is again a little. Let's see what the autofocus is like on the face. Hopefully I'm in focus. If I come in here, am I in focus? Not really sure. But yeah, how's the audio? How was that cinematics? Hey, listen. We're just trying to figure this out. You know, I like making videos. I like how it looks, and I'm just having a go. I'm just having a go. All right. I'm just having a go. And I encourage you to have a go if that's something you're interested in.